Watch out now, my peeps. Never see tomato, one tomato, get so much blossom. You know. So I have to highlight it. And on my farm, this is my virgin farm. We did this on him there, so I throw the side and side. So we visit one another farm. But when I look and see one tomato, blossom, get so much blossom. And say a plum tomato. You can notice one little one there, so plum tomato there. And I can't believe say tomato them get so much blossom. Can't believe. Watch it. Never see a tomato get so much blossom. Amount of blossom. One little tree, one small little patch of tree. Now watch it. Blossom like crazy. Yeah. You know, crazy amount of tomato this year. You never see so much tomato blossom. You never see too much tomato on a tree. You know, see. It's nice though. I farm as I say. And him they say, I will put pepper like myself. Nice pepper. See them loaded with pepper too. About this. It's a American apple. Couple of them well. Want to test them. And if they don't go in the Caribbean, but you test them. Yeah, we have one tree already go big. And a man cut it down, never know how. Pepper them. Alright, same tomato, them not carry some more blossom. And call them tree are big. Just so know, the whole I would look. You know, see it. Yeah, man. Them tomato, them get off of them. All them blossom, them beer. Never ripe one, man. I could tell him, say, man, ripe tomato. I've also make a pineapple. Yeah. So I don't plant some of them, but I watch them to see how them go. Because give me some of the clap to suck on them. You know? One little pineapple. I go on. Them up this there. All over. The lime tree I go on to with a portion of lime. So we are going there further. Yeah. Portion of avocado. Yeah. So we sow the seed them in a pot. Because I say me and my brethren them. Me and my brethren plant together. So we not transplant them. Whole heap of ginger we will draw up and left them to plant back in pure ginger. Pure ginger in them video. All of them. We plant back. That is it, my peeps. You like.